Yes guys, so I'm making a potato pudding today. I'm using a pound of potato. This one is about half pound or a little bit less. This is the other half. Well, this is about a pound. I didn't weigh them. What is this, Onika?
That coconut.
Oh, you know coconut, okay. Right, I want real coconut, not coconut powder nor or coconut liquid from a can. I want real coconut to make my potato.
Okay. That's a nut. Banana.
You're gonna sweeten your coconut milk. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon to that. Grate a little nutmeg in this. About a teaspoon. Get a dry side of the grater. Get a dry side, the little fine side. Grate it till you think it's half teaspoon or a teaspoon. Maria, please. Yes guys, I'm showing my kids how to make a Jamaican potato pudding. I want to sweeten coconut milk. So at this time I put a cup of cornmeal. You already put the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 cups of coconut milk. Mix this all together. See this fire? It is to make a hallelujah in the middle, right? Real Jamaican potato and pudding. Right? So my kids help me with it. My husband is not a cake person, but he loves pudding. And me myself love it bad, bad, bad. Yes, so right now I get it started. It's now on the fire and there's a set of fire going on the top right now. Yes guys, the pudding coming on fine, fine, fine. Yes guys, the pudding almost finished. We forgot Maria, so we show them the final result after we have half of it.
Alright, y'all want a good look? A good
Mighty
slice?
God, the pudding not cool good, you know?
The pudding look cool good.
Jeez, don't cut the pot, child. Guys, the pudding. No, me not tell no lie, the pudding here good still, you know? And when you bake it outside, it have the slush. You can see the slush on the top. See it there right on my fingernail. Why the pudding tastes good, it tastes good, it tastes good, it tastes good, it tastes good, can't done, you know? Hey, real potato pudding this, you know, bake out that door.